what I'm saying, my love. And job and the wall of them and Rosalie. I've met them on live. You never see this. And Jaden with him film prank. Jaden sent one big seed to make the girl come to get people to prank. You never see hear about it? Yeah, I can't tell about it.
We never hear about that one, the uncle.
Yeah, Ivan talk about it. Ivan say him that wicked because he knows that nothing goes so, and if he stop it, he send one big seed for go home for the night and have the girl make the girl come. To prank the crowd.
That's too lie.
Of course. That's how the shimmy face boy still. And shimmy no see boy face for shimmy. You have been your face participate and you can't come.
Rich Millie want No, so uncle, you're gonna make them butter, you know. Make money, thank you.
Every day.
Rich Millie, that's right.
They didn't come with a prank. They never hear Annie talk about telling man about the shop. A house that, a shop that. And a house that be for 3 days. Going on the water the yard. A shop. I mean a woman got a B&B. Here and B to say.
Oh. Never hear. I don't know what going for any of them now.
And the big daughter cuss her like drunk. The big daughter cuss her, you know. Drunk her rotten and say she don't want a picnic for call her no granny. Cuss her.
3 rows, chat, 3 rows. Chat 3 rows. Never know my friend. Honestly,
and the son now, they put the son on TikTok now, the big son. So our next big son, you know, they put him on TikTok too.
Chat 1 more rows, not chat 1 more rows. Thank you no. Yeah, honestly, Derrick, you see when me the live, me don't know what go on pan the far you.
Okay.
Yeah, and sometimes I come off, so I go bed and be the baby and lie down and when she go and sleep, I go on my bed too. Come like me have drop stick.
You know the on TikTok for all 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock.
No, sir, I go on my bed. You know, say really and truly, me I tell you honest truth. I don't know, you see, from I have baby, I'm easily tired. You see, as I done come off of the app and bed and something, I just go on my bed, Derrick. Once I put on my head, I go on my bed.
I can't worry about cussing with them. You can't worry about cussing.
I don't know the cussing now. Money, make money, thank you, baby. Everybody was sitting there was big up on herself. Yeah, you can't bother.
True.
Yeah, I'm the argument because I make my page gone. My page gone 2 weeks now, back to back.
Your big page?
Guys, you know, follow about the page here, guys. Follow about the page here. Yeah, my big page with my 98K follower them. You know, see, gone. Vanilla War,
Like I live in foreign, you see. And you get paid for your video, then what you do?
Yeah, man. Once them go by like certain amount of views.
Oh. King said get paid for him video them.
King can you have a sign up fee program.
But they not do that at Jamaica.
Yeah, they not do that at Jamaica. But no worry yourself, uncle. One uncle on the blood clot at your crazy. I like uncle.
No, sir. Every minute then cut one who fall off a TikTok let me that a big business and tax coming upon me. Can't take back my things, take back something them. Come in and pay taxes. Everybody fall off. One who fall, nobody can fall off a TikTok. Can't nobody get no money to put in that pocket. Come on, Fadi.
Conrad, why you say man by Andrew Bed? Andrew dead. Conrad, you not stop commenting on my chat. Why you say the man by Andrew Bed and Andrew dead? And you get Andrew big blood, bad blood. Derrick, don't pay and Conrad no mind.
Me not play no man, me not pan Canrick. I bash me, I play, me not pan Canrick. Me not pan him. Me not pan him. Crazy. Me never know. Kitty, I never know nothing about. I never know nothing about. From Canrick, Jamaica, I never hear never hear gunfire him. I since me seeing he come Jamaica and come find see Angela up half a tree, now the dumb bar up half a tree. Okay.
Make money, Russian. Everybody big up.
And Auntie that got rob him. And one of them tell him, no, don't do it. You can't make a little money for him.
They say all markets you buy Andrew. Conrad are wicked. Are you blood club by Andrew the thing him I want to come make Derrick own him. Go ahead. My side power top strat.
Tap up the screen, guy. Tap up the screen and say something good repeat and thanks.
Derrick a beat the stick. Now where your blood clot is way to Derrick. Chat power top strat. And get silent. You know worry about that. Power top strat. Make money. Make money where you going with.
Thank you, darling. Thank you. Beg your money gonna please.
And so I'm still gonna start eating chocolate them like nothing.
You love chocolate? And I love them. You get them cheap.
I think it's for like Russian, thank you baby. I think it's for like $6.
A long time I come to Jamaica.
5 years. Chat 4 rows chat. Russian send a rose baby. Guys 4 rows. I'm not saying anything.
Thank you.
My last game this with Uncle still.
Yeah, you might tell them I still, you might tell that family still. A family them for sure.
Yeah.
No way.
Come on.
So you not go for old fashion.
When we go rushing up there? You busy?
Russian, you can't have no money gone. Yes, you're up there. But you treat your good uncle.
Yeah. So you usually come at Jamaica, Lincoln Avenue too? You should come at Lincoln Avenue too, where you used to live? I'm used to live at Maxfield.
Yeah? Oh, you used to live at Maxfield?
Yeah.
I didn't know.